Okay, now we're doing a review on these staple guns today. We're doing the Arrow, the Stanley electric staple, the Arrow electric staple, and this 3 Plus, the cheapest 3 Plus T50 stapler I could find. Found one of their cheaper stapler, but it was a 22 gauge, I don't know. This is the cheapest T50 stapler I could find. So let's get started. First we're going to do the 1/2 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch light-handed. As you can see, it left that way up. Heavy-handed, one-handed, and it damaged the staple. Okay, 2-handed, and that left it flush. Okay, now we'll try the Stanley. Stanley, light-handed, one hand. It left it up. Heavy-handed, one hand. Still left it up. 2-handed. Lots of pressure. Okay, it's almost flush. Now let's try the Arrow stapler. Or not the Arrow stapler, the pneumatic stapler, the air stapler. Okay, here we go. I need to remove those staples first. Okay, 1/2 inch, one-handed. There we go. And it's flush. One-handed heavy, and it's below the surface. 2-handed, and it's still below the surface. Okay, the pneumatic stapler won that contest. Now let's try the 1/4 inch. These are 1/4 inch sharpened Arrow stapler T50 staples. The other ones were not sharpened. Let's see how this does. We'll go to this right here. Light-handed, heavy-handed, and that's almost flush, and 2-handed, and that's pretty flush. You get varying results with these guns, but I'm just trying to give you a ballpark idea of how they perform. I'm not going to give you a precision idea. Okay, the electric stapler. Stanley. One-handed light pressure. And that's almost flush. One-handed heavy pressure. That's about flush, and that's just a 1/4 inch sharpened staple. But that's about flush, so it's a little deeper. 2-handed. Heavy pressure. That sunk it beyond the surface just slightly. Now, the air stapler. One-handed, these are 1/4 inch staples, one-handed light pressure. Okay, that drove it beyond the surface. One-handed heavy pressure. That drove it even a little deeper than beyond the surface. And 2-handed. And maybe that's deeper, I don't know. Okay, that concludes the testing phase. Now for the review. Okay, if you want to use one of these electric staplers, the Stanley is the better one, but in my opinion, the pneumatic stapler is hands down a way better stapler. It's only $25, but it's got a nose on it That doesn't have a nose, it's a flat surface, so you can get into tight places. You can hold the material with one hand and shoot it with the other. These you pretty much have to use both hands to get a good shot. This has a slight nose, but like you say, to hold it with both hands to get it into place. So if you can afford it, get this and a cheap air compressor. Don't get the electric staplers. This beats it hands down, and it's only 25 bucks on Walmart.com, whatever, Walmart website. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.